Could you please tell me about you?
Yes, so I am a fashion graduate from Assumption College, Changnasheri. Well, right after my school days, after my 12th grade, I went and pursued it with with the bachelor's degree in Assumption College. After that is a 3-year course. So after that, I worked for a year in textile industry. Right after that, I went to NIFT for a 1-year course. That was a great course because I always wanted to do at least one course in NIFT Delhi just to know the career, how they are taking the fashion criteria and things like that. It was a good experience for me. After that, I worked in Delhi for a couple of time, and then I had to move back to Kerala. Again, I worked in Kochi for 2 years. Then I got married and went to Dubai. I was there for another 2 years. I worked there, and now I'm here in Trivandrum. So I have a baby now. I am looking after the baby and also doing small works right now. So that's how it is. That's all about me.
You told you are a fashion stylist, wardrobe consultant. Could you please explain us about the same?
Yes, I'm a stylist. So, wardrobe consulting is again another stream in styling. Styling also has many criteria, like you can be a editorial stylist, you can be a fashion stylist, you can be a bridal stylist, you can be a personal stylist of these actors. Same way, wardrobe consulting is for a normal person. Like leave all the celebrities and influential people and all. Other than that, if you are an entrepreneur or a creative person, or you are forced to meet people who are very stylish or people who are very high end, so then you have to keep your wardrobe also updated. In such cases, you might need an help of a stylist to choose these costumes that would suit you. So in that case, these entrepreneurs or normal people who go to office and things like that, they would want a stylist to assist them in collaborating their costumes. That's what a wardrobe consultant do. So they consult these normal people, and they, depending on their likes, dislikes, their skin color, their attitude, their profession, these stylists would suggest couple of costumes that would suit them and the occasions that they have to attend. And that's what a wardrobe consultant do. So I've been doing that for quite some time, and in that way they'll get couple of costumes ready, and they can use them in the meetings or whatever they have to attend. They may even need them while traveling and things like that. So a wardrobe consultant would help them uh, get a few costumes which are good enough for their meetings, travel, or some other events and things like that. Depending on their occasion and their job, they would help them create that. So that is all about wardrobe consulting.
You are in Dubai, right? So, how was the life in Dubai and how you utilized your fashion career there?
Yes, I was in Dubai from 2017 to 2019. Frankly speaking, my career was a little tough in Dubai because when I went to Dubai, I had a good portfolio, but then the portfolio I had was from Kerala. Though I had done more than 50 shoots styling in Kerala, but most of them were from celebrities in Kerala. The problem was in Dubai, most of them didn't know the celebrities in Kerala. They couldn't judge the fashion that I did in Kerala because I think the fashion that are trend in mostly in outside India or outside Kerala are a little faster than that is in Kerala. So what is in trend in Kerala right now may not be the one that was in Dubai last year. So my portfolio was kind of not updated, so that was quite tough for me to get good works in Dubai in the beginning. So I think I attended many interviews, but then it didn't went well. Later, then how I got into the career back in Dubai is something I would really like to share with many people who would want to go abroad and start their career again. So what I did was that I, even though I had like around 50 shoots done in many portfolio with me, I had to do few shoots for free in the sense in collaboration with photographers and makeup artists that are there. I mean, who are there in Dubai for a long time, and that's how I think I could get into their set of people, and that's how I started getting work. Like in the beginning, I really worked hard to get into their stream and their set of people. But anyway, I don't feel that those shoes that I didn't had a good effect. It really did, and even social media helped me to get work in Dubai. So, yes, it's okay to collaborate and work for free sometimes, because especially when you're in a new place, because that's how all you want to do is your talent should be known to people and to the right people. So I think choosing photographers, makeup artists in that place would really help in that. Also, that would update your portfolio. In that way, I think it's easier for them to connect and realize that yes, this lady knows this work. They don't have to be judgmental by seeing your old portfolio, and they'll be like very doubtful, saying that will you be able to do the work here because it's quite different in Kerala and in Dubai. So for answering such questions, your latest portfolio would definitely help. So that's how I started getting work in Dubai. But then yes, after doing a few collaboration work, I started getting really good work, and that too from some really good high-end brands. So thank God I was lucky to do some really good shoots. So that's how it started, and that's how it ended in Dubai.
More exciting part of our journey is yet to come. Stay tuned.